So most of you have been asking me how to go about with this Temu influencer program, and I'm gonna help you through it. I've been thinking of the best way to go about it, and I think a screen recording will be best. Don't skip any part of this video because this is the important part I'm going to be listing on here. When you follow this video, you won't need to ask further questions because it will take you straight right through how you go about it. However, I'll always be on the comment section to answer you. This is the first step, remember, and we're gonna go through the second step first of all. So my name is Pricey. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be taking you through this step by step. The main requirement you need is followers. So if you have a social media platform that has either 1,000 followers on TikTok or Instagram, or you have 500 subscribers for YouTube, then you will be eligible. After that, you have to authorize your account. You have to authorize your account, and when your account is authorized, then you begin. You can do campaigns, different campaigns. They're either just videos alone or with products, or in short, anything you want. This we'll talk about this in the next video, but right now, start up. Come with me. So first of all, you pick the browser of your choice and type in Temu. Only Temu. Like so. Then this is gonna show. Pick the first one that shows for you and open it. Scroll down and make sure this is it. Like this is Temu. After doing that, you swipe back up. Type in my code. This code. Inb310653. That's the code you type in as shown above. Inb310653. Then search. Make sure you're using a mobile phone. This is what shows an invitation, yeah? Rewards to be claimed as an influencer. There's something they call seeding balance and normal balance. I'm going to explain that moving forward. But right now, see, can you accept my invitation like that? You see other stuff like this. See the join now. I would advise you to scroll down and read. Read it yourself so you know if it's for you. These are the three main platforms. Like I said earlier, TikTok and Instagram, you should have at least 1,000 followers, while if you're using YouTube, you should have 500 subscribers at least. I'll advise you to pick the platform with the most followers because you can always add later. Okay, so right now, what is expected of you? First of all, you join the influencer program. If you have your number of followers, you activate the benefits and you start posting to earn. As simple as that. Yes, as simple as that. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm trying my best to make it as easy as possible, but at the same time, I want you to get all the points. There are frequently asked questions there like, what is Temu Influencer? What is the program about? You should know that for you to join this program, you have to be a content creator. No big language. You need to be able to do content. That's what it's all about. And it's so easy because it's going to show you exactly what is expected of you, the script and all that. You don't need ChatGPT or anything. Just read it as it is and read it out, So, the three main platforms, like I said, is TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Though you can advertise yourself in any other platform, but these are the three main platforms where you are required to post their stuff and get your link. You log in, you authorize your account, select the campaign you're interested in, and follow the requirements. That's it. How do I qualify? You have to have one of the platforms, either TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, with the total amount of subscribers. For YouTube, 500, then followers, Instagram and TikTok, 1,000. You authorize the channel with the highest number of followers, then when your account is authorized, then we move on. But first of all, your account has to be authorized first. So the benefits here is that you get free samples, you earn cash reward aside seeding balance, you also have commission, and then you have a greater opportunity of being exposed. Unlike other platforms where you post and don't get rewarded, this is different. You just get rewarded for the content you create, not for selling anything. And you also have free samples to pick from. Okay, free samples to pick from. So you go ahead, and join. If you've not downloaded the app, download the app. You sign up from here and like so, put on your either with Google or your email. Just go ahead. If you want to create a new Temu, anyhow you want to do it, just do it and get on with it. So this is the first thing, as I said, I was going to show you step by step. So this is it. Once your account is authorized, let me know in the comment and I'll keep on. I'll tell you the next step. Congratulations in advance.